This is why you need to visit places that have overcome bombings. Welcome to our journey through resilient travel destinations, where the echoes of history meet the vibrance of today. Did you know that cities devastated by bombings often see a 20% boost in tourism interest? Vietnam, Germany and Japan are prime examples. Take Vietnam, for instance. Once ravaged by war, it now stands tall, with bustling cities and serene landscapes like Ha Long Bay. Visit the Cuchi tunnels to feel the pulse of its resilient spirit. In Germany, cities like Dresden and Berlin have turned their war-torn past into a blend of historic beauty and modern innovation. Dresden's Frauenkirche is a testament to this incredible rebirth. And Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki are symbols of peace and recovery. Walking through Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park, you'll experience a profound connection to the past and a vision for global harmony. Even contemporary regions like Libya, Gaza and Syria hold treasures of cultural significance waiting to be rediscovered. Travel to these destinations isn't just about sightseeing, it's about supporting local communities and preserving their legacies. Platforms like Llivo make it easy to connect with local hosts and immerse yourself in authentic experiences. Ready to contribute to the resilience of these remarkable places? Start your journey with Llivo. Subscribe for more insights and explore more at Llivo.com.